Welcome to Brindley Vauxhall in Wednesbury. My name is Dal. The vehicle we're looking at today is a Vauxhall Cascada. It's a 2013 reg, it's one of our demos. It's a convertible. Finished off in carbon flash. It's a two-door vehicle with a four-seater. It's got alloy wheels as standard, with a chrome belt around the car. Rear sensors. Doesn't come with a spare tyre, but it does have an inflatable kit. So the standard features on this vehicle: it's got air conditioning, cloth interior, it's done 2,910 miles, front and rear electric windows with DAB radio and the new Vauxhall stop start technology, an automatic handbrake and a 6-speed gearbox. If you require any further information on this car, please phone 0121 556 0090. And my name's Dal, and it's Brindley Vauxhall in Wednesbury. Thank you.